Step into the 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are rear-wheel drive, power steering, ABS, steel wheels, automatic headlights, split-bench seat, vinyl seats, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control and power outlet. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.